Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this. It's a couch, if you can believe it or not. So you get these two pieces, which we're going to unwrap. It comes with this handy dandy opener so that you do not cut the material. And then it also comes with this frame. They're just separate metal pieces that we are going to set these on. So be very careful, as I said, and you just get the plastic started, and then we're going to unroll it. This is vacuum packed, so if you've never opened anything vacuum packed, it's very satisfying. Okay, I love the assembly on this. There's basically no assembly. You just unwrap everything. Make sure you have a big enough space to do this. And then you are going to put everything into the frame. So the two, I'm going to call them mattresses, stack, and the arms go on top. And voila, it is together. Now we just need to wait 48 hours, maybe 72, for everything to fully plump up. And then I will show you how versatile this is. We will make this into like 2 sleeping cots in case you have people staying over, but loving this so far. All right, so the couch has been out of the vacuum pack for 48 hours, and you can see that it is really plumped up and it is now nice and firm and even. So you get these 2 throw pillows with it, and you can see here the zippers come off, and you can take out the pillow part and then wash the pillow cases. This is completely convertible. So if you have people staying, you can take this off and you can have someone sleep on this, just lying down. You can see I can sleep on here. I could actually take this off as well if I wanted to. Let's say you have someone who's really tall and they can sleep on this. Now, you have 2 people staying. What we're going to do is take this off. You can place these side by side. And I can even make a headboard kind of out of one of the armrests. So now I have 2 complete mattresses for my guests. I'm going to show you from above. I'm going to move the camera here. And I am 5'7" for reference, and I completely fit on here. These are so comfortable. You can just throw a sheet on here and a few blankets, and this is just really, really functional. You could also move this other mattress. I'm going to do that in a second, and have these side by side and kind of make it like that 1950s side by side twin bed. So let me move that, and then I'm going to show you from above. This is such a great seating option. It's so great for a bonus room, a dorm, an apartment. It gives you so much versatility with sleeping. You can take the covers off and wash them, and it is just easy breezy, no assembly other than opening the packages. So loving this one. Let's take a few looks at some of the other configurations, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Okay, this 79-inch folding convertible sofa bed is great. I love that it is called a boneless couch, but it does have those 3 metal frames. They're the L supports for the sides and the back. And I love that because that's going to keep everything together when you're using it as a couch. So this has this modular futon function where you can have it as a couch or use it as a bed, 1 or 2 twin beds, or make it into a full bed. The material on this is really high quality, and it has this luxurious softness to it, but the corduroy has a little bit more of a sturdiness to it. So this is going to stay looking great for years to come. I think that this is just so great because it is so easy to transport if you're going to college or you are moving, and it gives you the versatility of an extra bedroom when you need it. This is great. It comes in different colors. Check out the links below. Highly recommend.